Hi, dear students. Welcome to today's class. To- Today, we are going to discuss about positive attitude, the learning positive attitude. This a video lesson is for third semester polytechnic students. This is communication skills and life skills. A positive attitude comes under life skills. As you know, this is C.H. Narsaya, senior lecturer in English, HG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. This is one of the very important unit for the third semester students, as well as we know the uh, it's very important learning attitude. Attitude means the way we react the persons, places, and things. What do you mean by attitude? Attitude means the way we react the persons, places, and things. So outcomes of this uh, lesson, objectives of this lesson: learn to react to people and situations in a positive way. After completion of this lesson, you learn to react with people in a positive way and as well as situations. This is a way we have to learn. The positive attitude is very important to everyone to be success in their life. If a person be positive, he will be successful. He will be happy in our life, or else he may not be in happy. The next coming to next point outcome, learn learn to look at people from the right perspective. We see the people in a right way. The people will react in the right perspective way. That is very important. Next, enhancing positive thinking. We have to be think of in a positive manner in any situation and positive attitude skills. These are the outcomes one by one. Once again, the outcomes of this lesson: learn to react to people and situations in a positive way. Learn to act a positive. Learn it to learn look at people from the right perspective. Learn look at the people from the right perspective. Enhance positive thinking and positive attitude skills. These are the things. Attitude means the way we react the people, the places, and things. If we think our life will be happy, or else our life will be miserable. The one person is changing negative attitude to positive attitude is called life response. Every people may respond in his life time to time. Everyone react, change his attitude negative to positive, positive negative. It is based on the situation. I hope so. Here I would like to tell we are going to discuss how a person will acquire the positive attitude, the influence of positive attitude, the formation of attitude, how attitude will be formed, the importance of attitude. These we are going to discuss today. Here, as per text, we are thinking that as you think, so you become. As you think, so you become. Whatever we feel, whatever we desire, we will become. And also, as you think, so you are received. The persons, the feeling, how they feeling, they will get the same thing. It is in a reciprocate attitude, reciprocate way. This is vice versa. If we think in a positive way with others, they will think about us positive. It means that you are becoming with a positive attitude. If you think of other people as a positive, they will think of you positive. Of course, we may change our attitude based on situations. It is called life response. Achieving or acquiring are all are in accordance with your thoughts. If you achieve anything, or you will get the same according to your thoughts. Attitude is a fixed notion. Attitude is a fixed notion or a predetermined feeling. Attitude is a fixed notion. We have a fixed notion before it. Or a predetermined feeling. We have some feeling. If already we have that notion about the feeling, about something which directly or indirectly relates to an individual life. It relates, it depicts a person's individual life. It is a pretexted, predetermined notion. We conceive already, we have that notion related to particular thing or a place or person. So this is very very important. It is individual life. Attitudes also evaluate statements or judgments. We evaluate it is a good or bad. Whether we judge it is a good or bad concerning objects. If a person may like one thing, his judgment is positive. If a person doesn't like it, judgment is wrong. It means his intention is wrong. People or events either favorable or unfavorable. We feel sometimes in a favorable way, in unfavorable way. But it's a pretexted and a judgment, predetermined notion. So attitude formation also very very important. Here I would like to mention a small story about a person. A person, the two persons, the friends are traveling by auto, the same auto. Unfortunately, the auto met an accident. Both friends are lost their legs. Luckily, narrowly they escaped from death. Their both friends' legs are cut in the accident. The two persons, the friends, but they are traveling by same auto. First person thinking that, oh God, why you are cursed me? Why did you give me such a kind of punishment? How should I live my life, future? How should I lead my family? How should I look after my family? This kind of thinking, he has been thinking of it. In the second person, his friend think, oh God, luckily I was saved. I think now with though I didn't have legs, I can look after my works, day-to-day works, with Jaipur fort, wearing Jaipur fort, as well as I can see my family, I can see my children. At least I can help a little bit for my family. I can do. So luckily I was saved. How the positive attitude, the person's attitude is, the same incident occurred to the both. First one is thinking negative, the second one is in positive way. So that is a pretexted, predetermined notion for that two friends. Here I would like to remind you once again about attitude. As you think, so you become, and also as you think, so you receive. మనం how what we give, we get it back. It means that you are becoming, achieving, are all in accordance with your thoughts. Attitude is a fixed notion or a predetermined feeling about something, which directly or indirectly relates an individual's life. Here, what was told in the previous my small story about two friends, but how indirectly, directly I am telling that their attitude. Attitudes are evaluate statements or judgments. This is good, this is bad, this is good, is fine. We give judgments concerning objects, people, or events, either favorable or unfavorable. This is the about the attitude. Coming to next point, attitude formation. Attitude formation is in three ways. Attitude will form in three ways, in three methods. One is cognitive, second emotional, third behavioral. The cognitive, how we think or reason through an attitude. Cognitive, how we think or reason through an attitude. Next, emotional, how we feel regarding an attitude. How we feel regarding an attitude. Emotion, feelings. Feelings is related to mind. How is good or bad. These are entire feelings regarding our attitude. Next, behavioral, how we act on attitude. This is coming to psychomotor domain. First, cognitive, affective domain. Emotional is nothing but affective domain, and third one is psychomotor domain. As we have three things: mind, feelings, and hand, limbs, involving limbs. These are the attitude formation. Cognitive is first one, mind. We feel that, we remember it. Okay, so next point, coming to attitude. Attitudes are learned, individuals acquire. Attitudes are learned, individuals acquire. They learn. We can learn the positive attitude. If sometimes we following the people we follow sometime, neighbors or someone, maybe those who are already possessed, having positive attitude, if we follow them, we'll learn from the people. Next one, acquiring. We practicing, we will acquire the positive attitude from several sources. There are many sources to acquire the attitude. Two major influences on attitudes are direct experience and social learning. How a person will acquire? First one is direct experience. A person have direct feeling. He may touch with that person, the place or thing. He will acquire the attitude. Then coming to next point, social learning. Attitude is also social learning. If the environment, the person's environment is in a positive way, he will build up the positive attitude. Directly, it means from parents, for himself, for genetically a person should possess a positive attitude or negative attitude based on For instance, I would like to mention, if a person's father may be a criminal, having criminal background, person he steals and he involved in robbery, something. Generally, is kids may is children may get affected having that negative attitude, but learning direct experience. So the brown and brought up the children, and they were mingled with the social society. After they will maybe be realized this is not right way. How to be learned with the positive attitude, how to be managed. They may control the negative and they may change their life in a new style. That is a social learning that is called life response. Social learning from peer group or environment. If a person may live in a good society, generally he develops, certainly he develops a positive attitude. If person may lives in the people along with the negative thinking people, he learn has always acquires in the negative thinking. So this is very very important. Two ways a person will acquire in a direct experience and social learning. Okay, attitudes can develop from personally rewarded or punishing experience with an object or person. If sometimes people, children may, one father mother may always quarrel with the family problems. Generally, their children will acquire the negative attitude to persons. This is a direct experience. It's called object of person. If a person always wears knives, bombs, and weapons, so certainly the person have that. The person will have negative attitude. So direct experience with object or a person is powerful influence on attitudes. Direct influence is very powerful rather than the social learning. Coming to social learning, in social learning, the family, a peer group, and culture shapes an individual's attitude. Family, peer groups, and culture also. If a person may live in a culture, certainly he will be shaped with such a culture. An individual's attitude in an direct manner. So having getting attitude in a positive or negative is not so easy. It has a lot of impact. It has mingled with so many things. So direct experience is a lot of impact on persons to acquisition of positive or negative attitude. The social learning is also social learning. A person might have living in the slum area with the criminals. Certainly his attitude will be in the negative. The formation, acquisition of his social learning will be in negative manner. The person will become as antisocial element. Whether we will become a thief, whether we will become a dacoit, many things. He will become mafia maybe, or else whatever it may be. A person may be always friendly with that criminals. That social learning is a negative attitude. It doesn't possess any sort of positive attitude. Next, coming to next point, we are going to discuss about direct experience. Direct experience, attitudes can develop from a personally rewarding, develop from personally. A person maybe feels sometimes I wanted to be a good person, I wanted to be a good possessor, right thing, I should be in a good position. A person maybe think of one. That's the one kind of direct experience. Personally, this feeling is rewarding. It's one kind of gift also. Punishing experience. If one boy or girl go on punishing in his childhood, After in his after completion of after in the adult age, he will become certainly a criminal or having a negative person attitude. He experienced it always in the negative way. Objects always he used to in the negative objective negative thinking. So that's why direct experience with an object or person is a powerful influence on attitudes. Let me tell you that the social learning. The social learning is the family, peer groups, and culture shape an individual's attitude an indirect manner. Indirect manner. So we have to be think of it. Family. The family, for example, a person may learn attitude through intimation of parents, imitation of parents, family. Family always with, for example, three in the social learning, there are 3 points are there. One is family. Each person will acquire the family, whether it is positive or negative attitude. The second point, peer group. Peer group also is has a lot of impact. The person's attitude will decide sometimes the peer group. The friends, the age group will be have lot of impact on him. The modeling also will be one sort of impact. Coming to discussing with family, a person may learn attitude through imitation of parents. Blindly imitates. A kid, a person, maximum is in a genetic impact. A person is impact is blindly imitates his parents from childhood. If parents have positive attitude towards is a positive attitude, an object and the child admires his parents towards positive attitude. Child certainly he will admire the child will appreciate his parents. My parents are good. My parents are encouraging me. My parents are molding my life. They are good. They are doing good for me. This sort of thinking will be happen to that sort of kind of students. He is likely to be adopt the similar attitude. The parents are good at 90% of the people will be acquired. The children also good. If the parents are miser, children also will become as misers. Why? Because the acquisition of parents. If parents, a father father and mother may go on telling lies, his children also used to say number of lies in their life, day-to-day life. They may not be good. They acquire the negative attitude. So this is very important. He likely to be adopt the similar attitude. So parents be careful. It's not the equation of the positive attitude or equation attitude is not only meant for the students. It is for all the people. Those every parent has to be learn the positive attitude. They have to know about the attitude formation. How to their children is going to be acquire the positive attitude. Everyone should know about it. So they must careful. It's not meant for the first students. As budding engineers coming to students, they have to be form the positive attitude. They have to learn the positive attitude from the society. Social learning skill. They have to become a good technocrat. They have to become good employees. They have to be learn the positive attitude. Here I would like to mention one example. The two students, the two persons, the two unemployed are there. The how their attitude formation I would like to mention here. First person, both are the same classmates, both are same thinking of it. Everyone, both are they are trying for their job to settle in their life. So first person, the one notification is given by government. So there are few, so certain 5 or something 10 vacancies are there. Certainly the number in unemployed are more. It is always true. The first person is telling that feeling that only the 5 10 vacancies are there. How should I get job? We are not concerned for. We don't have any sort of reservation or something. So one kind of thing, pre-texted, predetermined notion. How should I get the job? They feeling it initially. The second person, the second unemployed, will think of there are 10 vacancies are there. Has a chance, there is a scope to get job. I need only one job. I don't want. So he he conceives the pretext and notion I may get job. But the first person feels that I may not have a chance. Initially, before applying, he already defeated. The second person has 50%. He has an idea. He has a chance to get. So the conceiving opinion, having opinion about the is very very important. The positive attitude towards the object and the admire of his parents. So he appreciates the always parents. My father gave me birth. I owed very much. My mother and father working for me. They feel that why my parents are given birth for me. I am facing many problems. The similar way, the negative attitude person will be feel that. So this way we have to think of it. So that being, even without told about the object, even without having direct experience, they will have the feeling of negative attitude. So children and everyone, I am telling those listeners, those who are watching this channel, try to be in positive attitude, try to inculcate the value of positive thinking, the importance of positive thinking. Parents, try to make your children be positive thinkers. Next, peer groups. Coming to peer groups, have a lot of impact on people. The peer pressure molds the attitudes, especially in the adolescence age. Peer impact is more on the children, on the students. Peer pressure molds the attitudes through groups acceptance of individuals who express popular attitudes. Peer pressure molds attitudes through group acceptance of individuals. The friends will force to do something. That is a pressure. Maybe whether it is a positive, maybe or negative one. But peer pressure will be there. The many bad habits will be acquired with peer pressure. If the student who express popular attitude and through sanctions, these people will be sanctions for them for the negative attitude or positive attitude, and bad habits also. The positive, good habits are bad habits. Habit formation also comes from the peer group. For example, the peer pressure, peers they will be forced to be booze for alcoholing. That is one kind of peer pressure. Smoking or roaming on the roads. This is the peer pressure acquisition. Or reading collectively, doing projects collectively, working for common goal as teamwork that is a positive. This is first one is negative way, and second one is in positive. Both are peer pressure and peer effect, but which dominates? The peer group is good. The children will settle in their good, and they will get positive attitude, and they will get a negative attitude also. Coming to next point, modeling is also very very important. There is a lot of modeling impact. Modeling is more on the adolescence group. Very very great impact. The age of 17 to above 20-25, the peer group will be that group will affected by modeling. Substantial social learning occurs through modeling. substantial social learning occurs through modeling. That is one kind of social learning. For example, the following dressing style, their favorite hero or heroine. That is substantial social learning, in which individuals acquire uh, attitudes by merely observing others. If haircut, up to 10th class, their haircut is different. After when they enter in the colleges, they will get freedom. The peer group impact is there. People, their cutting style maybe changes. Merely observing others, they follow the others, not they oppose the parents. They never follow the parents. The learner must be motivated to learn from model. The wearing dress models from their favorite. The learner must focus after attention on the model and retain also that things. What was observed from the model? Behavioral reproduction must occur in the modeling. The learner must practice the behavior. So modeling, the three types of acquisition of social learning. One is family, peer group, and modeling. Okay, so direct and social experience. Next, coming to next point, importance of attitude. The importance of attitude is very important. Why a person needs attitude, how a person is acquires attitude, these are going to be discussed in this point. Attitude importance is subject to judgments. Attitude importance is subject to judgment or perception of one's attitude. Attitude is a subject to judgments, not object to judgment. Perception of one's attitude towards an object. It should be noted that personal importance is distinct from the people's perception of what is normally important in the society. This is very important. Attitude importance is subjective, not objective. Judgment perception of one's attitude towards the object. Their judgment is whether they want what they want to claim. It should be noted that personal importance is distinct. The person's in what is he requires from the people's perceptions, from the people's perception of what is normally important in society, what is normally important in society, what he needs. Next, coming to next point, attitude can be a powerful tool for positive action, which makes an incredible difference in life. Attitude is very powerful tool. The positive action, it is the incredible difference in the personal life, whether how it is. It shapes and molds the personality. It shapes and molds the personality. Very important. So attitude reflect how we feel about something. Our feelings, whether it is positive or not, reflect. When I say I like my job, I am expressing my attitude to work. Very important. It noted that a personal importance, distinct of people perception, normally important to the society, and attitude may be important because the person's perception is different. It is linked with is her material self-interest. Material self-interest also important and related to core values also. Self-interest and it is related to core values. It has some core values. A person, I think, maybe due to impact of society or a peer group, he wanted to steal something, but his core values, stealing is wrong. Thief, stealing, theft is wrong. If he is moral, may dominates, he will be controls himself, he will be living in the positive manner. Being ethic is important is in life, so it is very very important. So how we be ethical, he doesn't want to uh, violate the values. Ethics are important. Attitude can be powerful tool, a positive action which makes the incredible difference in our life. It shapes and molds the personality of a person. It determines whether you are on the way, in the way. We have to think. If the person is on the way in the positive way, he will be in the positive way. Attitude reflect how we feel about something. When I say I like my job, you are expressing that you are interested in the job. You are expressing here your attitude. Our attitude determines how you look at a setback, how you are thinking back setback. All our thoughts are of two types. The thoughts are two types, the positive and the negative. Our thoughts are generally two types of attitudes are. A person doesn't have the possessing both positive and negative. It's not a combination of both attitudes is not possible. So positive or negative or situation based. To a positive thinker, attitude can be stepping stone. If you're a positive thinker, attitude can be stepping stone for your success. The positive thinkers think is a stepping stone for success. Attitude is a stepping stone for success. Very very important. To a negative thinker, it can be stumbling block. Attitude is stumbling block. The positive thinker, it is stepping stone success. For negative thinking people, it is stumbling block. The most of our attitudes are formed during our formative years. The formative years in the adulthood age, in the childhood, our behavior will be shaped. Already we were discussed two things. One is the three ways of acquisition of attitude is the cognitive, emotional, and behavior, and the direct and social learning. Direct and social learning is very very important. So it is very very useful. Okay. Coming to next importance of attitude, and my job is telling that our environment influence is also very very important. Next, environment is two types. From environment influence the attitude of a person and the growth. All these environments create a culture. They consist of following things. One is work, home, school, media. So coming to home positive or negative influence home has. School has peer pressure. Work supportive or over critical supervisor. Media television, newspaper, magazines, radio, movies, cell phones, these are all also lot of impact on the people. Media impact, this cultural background. Media has its also cultural background, religious background. The person who may be religion also has a lot of impact on the person. Based on religions, their ethics and values will be molded. Social environment also, the neighboring people, so environment is very very important. Political environment also important. B is a very very important for that. So here coming to political environment. Next, coming to next point is experience. Experience makes man perfect. Sir, if the experience person is effective, having experience with something, he will get the perfection. Okay, so experience is very very important. According to the level of experience, the behavior of the person changes. The introspective, the person, if you, though having already a direct impact, this is one kind of experience. The imagination is above and away from this experience. Okay, the experience is more. Next, education. Coming to education. Education is also a part of environment. Present day education develops the intellect and skills but does not little to develop qualities and attitude. Present day education is always only the getting degrees. They don't bother about the values, qualities of attitude. The institution, they don't take the responsibility shaping their lives of the students. They never bother about their attitude formation. Simply they are awarding, they are giving degrees, but there is no formation of attitude. Education molds. Education should be utilized for developing the power of discrimination between right and wrong. Which is right, which is wrong, they will be formed the notion, opinion, good and evil, which is good, which is bad. Without discrimination, a human being is worse than animal. Human being is worse. Nowadays, the women are caused for many things. They without having a positive attitude, without having emotions, their women are behaving very cruel. Without values, they're behaving. It's very, very sorry to say. Many abductions, many deaths, many murders, what illicit things are happening in society. Lack of education, that is discrimination between the right and wrong. There is no good and evil. Without discrimination, human being is worse than the animal. What the world today needs is either a new order. This is very, very important. There is no how this society is day to day worsen. So new education, new system should become to formation of positive attitude, behavioral formation is very important. Without education, without values, the formation, mere acquisition of degrees rather than the values. Nowadays, the unemployment cause such a kind of students that involving in the many illegal things. But why? Due to they have remained as unemployed and they didn't acquire any values. They are cause of and they are becoming antisocial elements. So, friends, be cautious. Be about that habit formation. It is more valuable than the knowledge, more valuable than the skills. It is very, very important for the people there how you form. This thing is very, very important. So, formation is important. World needs such a kind of order, new system, new society, not a new religion. The now we don't need any kind of religion, no system, but only the habit formation, good form. It is important. The remedy lies in your mind with positive attitude. Education only, with education only molds, and with the right education, I am telling the right education, the values, embodied education can mold the positive attitude. Education must be oriented towards the attainment of character, the positive attitude for leading good lives is very, very important. So I hope so. Different we have to be think of it. Differences, effects of negative attitude. We will think of it. Effects of negative attitude. Negative attitudes are customary ways of thinking that eventually cause of misinterpretation of the situation event. Constant frustration can prompt negative attitude. The frustration leads to negative attitude. Go on, a person will always in the frustration, he will get the negative attitude. Negative attitude shortens our life, the person's life. Negative attitude always shortens our life. The more often you become angry, upset, frustrated, the person who those who negative attitude, he will feel frustrated and and upset also. The less days you will have the left in your life to life. So I know this. I know this is it is extreme level. People, you have to think, be calm, don't be in the negative thinking. But that is how that's how it is. You are shortening your life, with negativity. Every time you let negative emotions overtake you, it dominates. The negative attitude is now dominates you. Such attitude creates a unpleasant future. Your future will be dismal. Your future will collapse. I hope so. You might be turned. You may learn the positive attitude. If any one person having a negative attitude, please leave. I'm humbly requesting you. I appeal you, friends. You leave the negative attitude. Be acquire the positive attitude. Be happy. Be quiet. Don't be in the negative thinking. Your environment or peer pressure may pressures you, but don't think of your present actions determine your future. If you constantly moon of dissatisfied with your circumstances in the future, you sure that you need the more things you will be happy unhappy. If you are negative, the more complain it will complains you, more things you will find the complaint about you. If you complain on one person, you will get the more things about you. Negative attitude harms others also, not only the person, it harms the other persons also. Your negative moods affects the people around you. You should never make others feel bad, because by doing so you are contributing not only to your own misery, but you are cause of for the other miseries also. The negative attitude person is cause of this person's effects of this are also things. Every cause has an effect too, and your negative attitude cause produces a negative circumstances. So constant prompt negative thinking is you have to avoid it. People think it's the other way to round, but that is not a way. So you have to be think of it. Thinking causes your circumstances. Next, attitude of self peers. Coming to next point, peer pressure is the phenomenon wherein we need to get influenced by the lifestyle and by the way of thinking of your peers. Peer pressure is bound of affect most of us, both positively and negatively. So peer group is very important. So let me tell you that this is a last conclude this point. Peer pressure is a phenomenon where they tend to be influenced to be in our life. Next, most of the observed in the negative effects on the society only due to the peer pressure. Peer group only. The peer group only cause of the person's style of life. The thoughts, behavior, and tastes of the passion and music and everything due to formation is the peer pressure. So it's very important. Peer pressure is very important. Music, television, and other works of the life, masses on the often seen having a deep impact on the living of the society. So we tend to be get influenced the lifestyles of our peer group. So be careful while choosing the right peer group. The changing of ways of life our peers often forces to us change our ways of looking at life and leading it. It's a human tendency to do what the crowd does. What the crowd does, the human tendency, the crowd will follow us. Like few have the courage to resist the peer pressure. Some people can resist it, peer pressure. That is the people that such a sort of people will acquire the positive. Peer pressure is bound to affect the most of us both positively and negatively. The destination of between positive and the negative peer pressure lies in the thoughtful of analysis and view of the masses. It's a very very important. Think whether the good or not. The following the peer pressure blindly leaves the negative impact. Don't follow the peer group blindly. You analyze it whether they are good group or bad group. You leave it otherwise. So peer group is very important positively. Let us look at the positive and negative effects of the peer group in the next session. Coming to, I would like to be think of it effect of peer pressure on the self, vice versa in the next coming class, next session, next video. We have the length be the big lesson we have. So far we were discussed about that what we were discussed. So attitude formation is direct and social learning. Direct experience and social learning is two types: family and peer group and modeling. The importance of attitude we were discussed. How the environment we were discussed. The experience and education, the impact of education we were discussed. Difference between positive and negative attitude. The effects of positive attitude with defects, negative attitude we discussed. Attitude is a of self peers. The impact of peer group is we were discussed. Thank you, students. This is enough for today. We will meet in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you for the students.